When I'm traveling with my Starlink mini antenna, I need to bring along a power adapter and the cable, of course, and I wanted to get a case for it. So I looked around and I found this soft case. Let's take a look at it. I like that it's shipped in just a piece of plastic, so not a lot of wasted packaging. We've got a carry handle with a hook and loop, kind of a padded cinch there. We've got two zipper pulls, and then on the inside looks like there's a carry shoulder strap with a pad. We've got these padded interior sections, so I can take my mini, I can fold down the kickstand, and it looks like it'll fit right in there. Look how easy that is. It's padded on both sides, so it's not going to get damaged. It's not going to hurt the bag. There's this Velcro section. I could probably put a tablet in there if I needed to, or I could put the antenna on that side and then have the antenna secured in here, or again a tablet or something. It really doesn't matter. I have room here in the big compartment for the cable and the plug, but I could also put the cable and the plug in this outside hook and loop pouch that are actually kind of made for it, it looks like. So I'm really stoked that I now have a nice looking and comfortable way to carry around my Starlink mini antenna. Truly portable. I'd like to thank them for sending us this one to check out. Hope this helps.